Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app is not available in your country or region in iPhone. So solution 1, change your Apple ID, country or region. First, open the settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, select media and purchases, and then tap on view account. Next, tap on country or region and select change country or region. Choose the country or region where the app is available. After that, review and agree to the terms and conditions that update your payment method if needed. Solution 2, use a VPN. Download a reliable VPN app from the App Store and open the VPN app and connect to a server in the country or region where the app is available. Once connected, restart your iPhone. Now open the App Store and search for the app. Download the app as you normally would. Solution 3, use a secondary Apple ID. Create a new Apple ID for the country or region where the app is available. Creating a new Apple ID with the correct region can help you get the app sign out of your current Apple ID, and selecting sign out, then sign in with the new Apple ID and try downloading the app again. By following these steps, you should be able to download the app even if it's not available in your current country or region. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.